Hello, my name is Gareth, and this is my physics experiment. In this experiment, I will be trying to achieve rotational equilibrium between two erasers of different weights. The red eraser weighs 11 grams, while the white eraser weighs 6 grams. In this experiment, I will be trying to achieve rotational equilibrium between the same white eraser and with a box full of staples that weighs 21 grams. In this experiment, I am attempting to achieve the same goal as the previous two experiments, but this time with a watch that weighs 55 grams and 3 erasers that weigh a total of 23 grams. In this last experiment, I am trying to achieve rotational equilibrium between a stapler that weighs 94 grams and the same 3 erasers that were used in the previous experiment. All in all, as you can see that the white eraser in experiment 1 and 2 is placed on the right side of the pivot, and the red eraser and the box of staples are on the left side of the pivot. In both cases, because the sum of anti-clockwise moments was more than the sum of clockwise moments, I had to move the force on the left side of the pivot closer to the pivot in order to reduce the sum of anti-clockwise moments to equal the sum of clockwise moments to achieve rotational equilibrium. Likewise for experiments 3 and 4, because the sum of anti-clockwise moments were more than the sum of clockwise moments, I had to move the watch and the stapler closer to the pivot in experiment 3 and 4 respectively. This is to ensure that the sum of anti-clockwise moments and sum of clockwise moments were equal in both experiments to achieve rotational equilibrium. That's all for my experiment, and thank you for listening.